What kind of claims do I have for a family member's death? My name is David R. Price Jr. and I'm a personal injury trial attorney in Greenville, South Carolina. I'd like to share some valuable information with you. When a family member dies in South Carolina, it's a tragic event, and the law recognizes at least 3 different types of claims for that tragedy. The first type of claim is the wrongful death claim, which is brought by the deceased person's next of kin. The beneficiaries of the wrongful death claim is not necessarily the heirs to the estate as defined by the will. Instead, the wrongful death beneficiaries are set out by statute. These include the spouse and children if they exist, or if there's no spouse and children, it could include the parents. These beneficiaries are entitled to seek damages under the wrongful death claim for the loss of their loved one. The second type of claim that may exist is known as the survival claim. This is the claim that can be brought by the estate of the deceased person for the pain and suffering experienced by the deceased person prior to their death. If there is no evidence that the deceased person survived the initial impact or initial event that caused the death, then there may not be a survival claim. If there is a survival claim, then the total recovery should be apportioned between the wrongful death case, which passes directly to the deceased person's next of kin, and the survival claim, in which case those proceeds are deposited into the deceased person's estate where they can be claimed by creditors to the estate. A good attorney will know how to apportion the total proceeds between the wrongful death claim and the survival claim in order to maximize the recovery for the deceased person's loved ones. The third type of claim that may be available for the death of a loved one is known as the loss of consortium claim. This is a claim that may be available to the spouse of the deceased person for the loss of their spouse. My name is David Price, and I handle these types of cases every day. If you've lost a loved one as a result of an accident in South Carolina, then I want to help you. Please call me today at 864-271-2636 or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com.